Hello, a few people having trouble installing my kit, so I thought I'd just put together a guide so it streamlines it all. So once you have the kits downloaded, just gonna open them up with WinRAR. Extract to, I'm gonna go display files in Explorer, that just opens it for me. Just drag it down, it's in another window. Just that. And grab the folder. Just copy that. Go into Motor. Go to System. Open Content folder. And there should be a kits folder here. If there's not a kits folder, create one. Going to New and Folder and then name it kits. But once again, it's System, Open Content folder. We just have to paste the folder into there. And we restart Motor. Yeah, it's taking us out. As you can see, we got the kit drop down set up there, and it all should work fine. There you go. There's one more thing to note about my kits, it's the viewport settings. Just essentially make sure the shading style of the inactive is on anything but wireframe, can be default, advanced, etc. shaded, and enable independent drawing. So if you don't do that, you don't get the wireframe. So I hope this helps if anyone's having installation issues. And yeah, have a good one.